So I just lit a candle and turned on my salt lamp. You know, good vibes for this video, because that's what we really need right now, is just good vibes. Hello, so my name is JaVienne, and recently I quit my job. And I know that's not something to really boast about or like be excited about, honestly, but like when you cry in the bathroom every day and like you're really starting to hate yourself over your job, it's kind of a good thing. And so I don't really want to go into details about like what job I had, where I worked, anything like that. I'm not that kind of person to put myself in that vibe and environment and zone, so I left because it's not really something that anyone I feel like would want to be in. That's basically it.
Wash your hands.
If you hear a dog in the back, sorry, that's my roommate's dog. Powder, 1 teaspoon baking.
Are you kidding me? My diamond earrings.
So the ingredients for the carrot cake are I'm not using raisins because raisins are the devil, but do you. So for your flax egg, you're gonna wanna make that ahead of time. The girl I watched make this, she used a lemon buttercream. I'm not gonna do a lemon just because I feel like that doesn't really go with carrot cake personally. So I'm just gonna do a normal buttercream frosting. So you need 3 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons vegan butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. And then to make hers lemon, she just used 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. So I lit this candle. It's called Crystal Floral. It's a scented soy candle. It's from Target. It smells so good. So first things first, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna move all this off the stove so it doesn't explode. So this is the only grater shredder thing that we have. These holes seem pretty small, so I'm just gonna have my sister cut the carrots up by hand. You're gonna need 2 pans. I got square ones. It says to use 2 pans, I don't know. Both to 7 inches. I just beat my luck and found out this is 7.8 inches by 7.8 inches, so I'm pretty excited about that, honestly. Wow. So I'm just gonna take a paper towel and put some vegan butter on it and wipe that on the pan. I don't really know. Pan's greased. So you're gonna need a sifter. I bought this from the dollar store, like literally when I moved in here, and it's been serving its purpose, honestly. So I'm just gonna take my bowl and measure out 2 cups of flour. It's like snow. We're gonna take this baking powder. We're gonna do a teaspoon. I don't know if y'all have this, but apart and you can just level it. That's so cute. So much fun. Fun, right? I should probably be doing this over the bowl. Psycho. Alright, so you're supposed to sift the cinnamon, the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and nutmeg all together. So I'm supposed to do 1.5 cups of brown sugar. I'm gonna use white sugar. And personally, I hate brown sugar. So I just have this 1.5 cup measure. It's a little fishy. Fishy, 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 fishy. That's so much sugar. Keep your station clear. So I don't like to measure salt out when I'm baking. I just like to do a little bit. So I'm just gonna do like 3 cranks of it. Okay, yay! We're doing so good! So now we're gonna mix. So my camera's about to die, and my sister's still cutting all the carrots that I need, so I'm just gonna let my camera charge while she cuts the carrots. I don't even know if that's relevant, but yeah, okay, bye. Oh, your fingers are orange. My nails! So this is what the 255 milligrams of carrots look like. So we're just gonna go ahead and add this all in very carefully.
I was chopping up the carrots and they dyed my nails green.
Okay, so this is what our batter is looking like right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really rough. So we're gonna add some soy milk because I can't even like mix all the ingredients. Add in a little. We're just gonna do that much. You want to definitely add less than you need. I don't even know if people are making this with me. Like I'm talking like people are making this with me. This is where we're at now. It's definitely different. I'm gonna add probably a little bit more because it's not like wet, but it's wet. Liquid, we're gonna add just a little bit more. Okay, so I added the walnuts and more soy milk, and it's like this consistency now. Yeah, so we're gonna go with this consistency and see what happens. But I also laid parchment down in both my pans. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pour the cake in both the pans and like try and even it out. So now you're gonna bake your cake for 30 minutes at that 350° Fahrenheit temperature. And I'll see you guys in 30 minutes, okay? I don't even know what that was. Good morning. Today's candle of choice is Nature's Wick, sea salt and jasmine, coconut water, and coastal sand. It's a 3-layer candle. Smells amazing. So I couldn't make the icing last night and ice the cakes because some stuff was going on. So, but yeah, so we're going to ice the cakes today. This is what the cakes look like. I'm not really feeling it, if I'm gonna be honest. They look like this. They're a little like these like dark brown parts. They seem a little gooey. And like the sides of the cake seem really sticky. I think I'm gonna pop them in the oven for like 10-15 more minutes maybe, see what happens. So I was looking at designs here. I guess I'll show you guys my designs of what I really want to do on the cake. This one is so cute. It's just a little butt, but like it's so cute. Okay, so I got this plant-based food coloring from Whole Foods. So we're gonna have to make a light pink, a dark pink, another dark pink, but I'll probably just ice that first and then add some more pink, and then black. Okay, so I might make a segment on my channel where I cook, so comment down below if it should be called Whip It in the Kitchen or Whip It in the Kitchen, or a different name. What was you supposed to do? 3 3/4. 3 cups. 3/4, so dang it. You ain't got a 4th fishy?
There it is. It's the smallest one.
That one's a half.
A half.
This one says a half. Oh, this one. 4th fishy. Okay, so now we have this 4th cup little fishy. So now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, now we're gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're gonna do 2 of these bad boy tablespoons of teaspoons. We're gonna do teaspoons. We're gonna add a little soy milk because she's using lemon as like her liquid in her thing. So I think I'm gonna blend it first and see what happens. Mix it first, see what happens, and then I'm probably gonna add a little soy milk, darling. Now we're just gonna blend it all together. So this is what it looks like. It's honestly kind of all crumbles. So we're just gonna add a little soy milk. So some time has passed. We put our cakes, follow me over here. But the cakes are over there cooling. This is how the icing turned out. It's kind of been sitting for a few minutes, so it's kind of crystallizing a little bit. But it's really thick. Looks like it. If you're vegan and you want like a cream cheese frosting that tastes like cream cheese frosting, if what I remember, this tastes like cream cheese frosting. Okay, so I just moved y'all over to this area. We have this little thing. I'm gonna put the picture over here for reference. So I put a little icing down. We're just gonna take a little and put it in the inside. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, so it's iced. Oh, my camera's dying. We're just gonna put this down like that. Yay, looks like a sandwich. Okay, now we're just gonna ice this bad boy all over. So my camera's dying, so I'm just gonna cover this all with icing like this and then put it in the fridge for a little bit so it can cool down, and then I'll take it back out and show you guys how I'm gonna do the little design. Okay, so we're back with our cake. It looks so good. It's still, like, I can push it down a little bit, but like it's definitely better. Okay, so we added a dot of food coloring, and this is honestly the outside, what it should look like, but that's okay. It's cute. Well, whatever. Okay, so this is the color we made of the icing for the second part of the butt. It kind of looks exactly like the color. So I just put it all in here. with the help of my sister. Okay, so the cake's done. Drum roll, please. Okay, so it doesn't look like anything like the picture. It's good enough, you know? We're not going for perfection. It's okay. I hated it the moment I put it in the freezer to set everything, but it's honestly pretty okay now that I look at it and everything's like molded into one. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna slice it up and show you guys a slice. Okay, we're gonna taste test it real quick. If you hear people in the background, it's my sister and her friend, sorry. Ow.
Oh, Waylon's here.
Hi!
Hi. You love me? Okay.
So good. Wow. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it. Yeah. Comment your favorite song of this month, and honestly I'd probably make a playlist of all the songs that get commented because I literally think that'd be so fun. But yeah, so all my social media will be linked down below along with my Spotify. Again, I make monthly playlists. If you want to give it a listen, you don't have to. Any helpful links, the recipe and Black Lives Matter movement links will be down below, and petitions and such. Yeah. Okay, bye. Bonjour.